Hola y saludos profesores. Me llamo Eric y yo soy el director de Squads Abroad. Squads Abroad is a nonprofit organization with 20 years of experience organizing international service trips to Central America for Spanish classes and clubs. I would love to invite your class to travel with us to Panama or Guatemala to get immersed in the language and the culture and to partner with our local schools to build meaningful and inspiring service projects. During the week-long trip, our professionally trained team will take care of all the logistics, including accommodations, transportation, and delicious meals. Plus, we will organize impactful and sustainable hands-on service projects for your students and visits to local tourist destinations and cultural activities. Please schedule a call with me so we can discuss how to customize this Spanish immersion program to meet your needs. Gracias y ojalá que nos hablemos pronto.